Welcome everybody. Selection sort consists of two nested loops and usually does not involve any recursion. The outer loop, as indicated by the red pointer, moves from the left, the beginning of the list, to the right, the end of the list. And the inner loop, as indicated by the blue pointer, moves from the position of the red pointer all the way to the end of the list. Now, the purpose of the inner loop in selection sort is to find the smallest element that appears between the red pointer and the end of the list. To keep track of the index in the list where the smallest element is located, we are using a third variable as indicated by the orange pointer in the animation. Once the inner loop has reached the end of the list, we simply swap the element at the red pointer's position with the smallest element that we have found just now. The outer loop can now proceed to the next element. This is it already. This is a complete description of the selection sort algorithm. Thank you for watching and see you next time.